In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a database from Hostinger, whether you're doing this to keep a backup, share data, or move your site to a new host. Understanding how to manage your databases effectively is crucial. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hostinger homepage. If you're not already there, go to hpanel.hostinger.com. This is where you'll log into your Hostinger account if you haven't done so already. Once you've successfully logged in, look for the Websites option on the Hostinger dashboard. Clicking here will provide you a bird's-eye view of all the websites associated with your account. From the list of websites, find the one you're working with today. Next, locate and click on the Dashboard button. This will take you to the control panel specific to the website you selected. Here, you'll see various options and settings you can adjust for that particular site. Now, in the dashboard, you want to focus on the left side of your screen and look for the Databases section. Click on Databases to proceed. This area is essential because it contains all the databases associated with your websites. After opening the Database section, look for the PMyAdmin tool. PMyAdmin is an open-source tool that allows you to manage your MySQL databases via a convenient graphical interface. Click on PMyAdmin. If prompted, go ahead and click Enter PMyAdmin. This step will lead you into the environment where your website's database lives. PMyAdmin should open up in a new tab or window, and you'll probably see a list of databases on the left side of your screen. Focus your attention on the relevant database you'd like to export. Once you've selected the correct database, locate the Export option at the top of the screen in the PMyAdmin toolbar, and clicking on Export will lead you to a new screen where you can choose your export options. For most needs, the simple export method is sufficient, and it will generate a .SQL file of your database. This file is a compressed version of the data and structure of your database. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check everything just to make sure you're exporting the correct data. After you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and start the export process. The exported .SQL file will download to your computer. This file is crucial because it serves as a backup or a transferable database that you can use for various purposes. And there you have it. You've just exported a database from Hostinger. Remember, keeping regular backups of your databases is a good practice to ensure that your data is safe and secure. Thanks for following along, and happy hosting.